Hi people, I have a lot of problems with Gemini Code Assistant and inside the VS Code, and I think this is a bad thing occurring. I don't know what's going on. Everything is broken. I tried a lot of alternatives to solve the problems. I deleted the app, I deleted caches. I use Gemini. By the way, I just chatted to give me an answer, but no, this is impossible to use, and I will show you exactly what I'm facing off, and it's a bad thing. I don't know what's going on, but I can't start a new journal with inside the control project because of it. I would use Gemini to show the project, but this is impossible now. I'm have here basically two conversation. Here it is what is going on, for example, and if you can see here, all the responses have this problem, and when you try to use it, it is impossible. You can't use diff, you can't use made nothing. So look it, this is a lot of errors, and you see that we have errors that broke the I don't know what's going on. The last more or less 2 weeks ago, these problems start to occur, and in a version delivered in 10 July. But now it's so impossible. I don't know what to do. I am waiting to Gemini to solve this problem, but I think this is so difficult to work with Gemini. I think that I need to come back to use chat in the web version on the browser, but or change to Copilot, because Copilot's here wait me inside for me to conclude the configuration, and that's the bad problem. I don't know, and the time, a lot of time to respond. Oh, now they respond a lot. You saw this? It's broken. Not occurs. If you try a new chat here, the problem occurs the same. For example, you will see that it's impossible. I don't know what's going on. Thinking about Google, what you doing, man? It's so terrible. I like you so much. I the majority of things I did use AI was using Gemini, but I started to think about that I need to pause my project using you as the main stuff to solve my codification with AI in pair, and my project Control is based in Gemini. Oh, you see, everybody can see they deliver a good solution, but after a while they broke the screen and stopped to give solution. Look, anyway, you wait to see if this will work in this case. Now worked, oh man, but look at here, more one problem. You have a lot of these problems. As I said here, I had a problem that break the screen. What's so terrible to use, and it's so difficult to work with it. Now I have one option worked. Oh, by the way, one thing worked, but in some types this isn't work anymore. What is it? I don't know what's going on, but Gemini is broken, and I'm trying to use it, but until today it's impossible to solve my problems with AI code assistant inside VS Code. I think I needed to use another approach, or go back to browser, or use cloud, Copilot, Grok, I don't know, but this is difficult for me.